Looking for a reliable headshell that delivers both precision and durability? The Audio-Technica at HS1 Universal Headshell promises a secure fit and top-notch performance for your turntable. Whether you're upgrading your setup or replacing a worn part, this all-metal headshell offers a seamless connection that preserves your vinyl's sound quality. I've seen firsthand how the HS1 transforms the turntable experience. Its all-metal construction feels solid, and the integral finger lift makes handling smooth and effortless. The rubber washer ensures a snug fit to the tone arm, eliminating any unwanted vibrations or looseness. Plus, the color-coded lead wires and included cartridge mounting hardware make installation straightforward, even if you're new to vinyl gear. It's compatible with popular models like the LP120 USB, LP240 USB, and LP1240 USB, so it fits right into many professional and home setups. What sets the HS1 apart is its balance of quality and value. Unlike some alternatives, this headshell includes gold-plated wires, which improve conductivity and reduce signal loss, details that truly matter for audiophiles. Audio-Technica's reputation for durability and performance is backed by their involvement in major events like the Grammy Awards and the Rock Roll Hall of Fame ceremonies. If you want a headshell that holds up over time and keeps your sound crisp, the HS1 is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values sound clarity and dependable gear, this universal headshell fits the bill. It's priced reasonably and engineered to meet the demands of both casual listeners and serious vinyl collectors. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your turntable's performance and enjoy your records the way they were meant to be heard.